Welcome to Prime Direction Current Affairs 2023, Episode 2. 16th question. Which bank has recently, in July 23, announced its support for India's national green hydrogen mission with a substantial loan of up to €1 billion to boost green hydrogen and renewable energy projects in India? Options are A. European Investment Bank, B. Asian Development Bank, C. World Bank, D. New Development Bank, E. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Time starts now. And the answer is A. European Investment Bank. Next question. In July 2023, India finished at the dash position, securing 2 gold, silver and bronze medals in the competition out of 112 countries at the 64th International Math Olympiad (IMO) 2023 held at Chiba, Japan. Options are A. 6th, B. 9th, C. 3rd, D. 8th, E. 5th. Time starts now. And the answer is B. 9th. Next question. In July 2023, renowned Indian mathematician and educationalist Dash passed away. Options are A. Raman Parimal, B. Subhash Khote, C. Mangla Narlikar, D. M. S. Raghunathan, E. Neena Gupta. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Mangla Narlikar. Next question. Which organization/institute scientists authored the book Biodiversity and Importance of Mangrove Ecosystem that was released by the Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Bhupender Yadav, in July 2023? Options are A. M.S. Swaminathan Research Foundation, B. National Biodiversity Authority, C. Indira Gandhi National Forest Academy, D. Institute of Forest Biodiversity, E. Forest Research Institute. Time starts now. And the answer is A. M.S. Swaminathan Research Foundation. Next question. When was the Day of International Criminal Justice 2023 observed across the globe by the International Criminal Court, ICC? Options are A. 15th of July 2023, B. 13th of July 2023, C. 16th of July 2023, D. 14th of July 2023, E. 17th of July 2023. Time starts now. And the answer is E. 17th of July 2023. Next question. Which of the following points are incorrect with respect to the second edition of Niti Aayog's report National Multidimensional Poverty Index, MPI, a progress review 2023 released in July 2023? A. India has registered a significant decline of 9.89 percentage points in the number of India's multidimensionally poor from 24.85% in 2015-16 to 14.96% in 2019 to 2021. B. Bihar registered the largest decline in the number of poor, i.e. 1.43 crore people. C. Delhi, Kerala, Goa and Tamil Nadu have the least number of people facing multidimensional poverty along with the Union Territories. Options are A. Only A, B. Only B, C. Only C, D. Only A and B, E. Only B and C. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Only B. Next question. Name the non-governmental organization, NGO, that has recently, in July 23, received special consultative status from United Nations, UN's Economic and Social Council, ECOSOC. Options are A. CARE International, B. Action Against Hunger, C. World Humanitarian Drive, D. International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, E. World Vision. Time starts now. And the answer is C. World Humanitarian Drive. Next question. Which company has recently, in July 23, won a contract worth 800 crore to supply defense vehicles to the Indian Army? Options are A. Tata Motors Limited, B. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, C. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, D. Larsen and Toubro Limited, E. Ashok Leyland Limited. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Ashok Leyland Limited. Next question. Name the personality from India who has recently, in July 23, received the ENI Award 2023 Advanced Environmental Solutions Prize. Options are A. Amitwa Das Gupta, B. Talappil Pradeep, C. Abhijit Sarkar, D. Jayant Kumar, E. Advait Shankar. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Talappil Pradeep. Next question. In July 2023, Union Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah launched the Central Registrar of Cooperative Societies, CRCS, Sahara Refund Portal to expedite refunds for Sahara Group depositors. Which organization/company's subsidiary has developed the refund portal? Options are A. National Informatics Center, B. Center for Development of Advanced Computing, C. Industrial Finance Corporation of India, D. Center for Development of Telematics, E. National Financial Reporting Authority. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Industrial Finance Corporation of India. Next question. According to the National Institution for Transforming India, Niti Aayog's Export Preparedness Index CPI 2022 for States and Union Territories UTS report released in July 2023, which state has topped the index with an overall score of 80.89? Options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Karnataka, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat, E. Madhya Pradesh. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Next question. In July 2023, Asian Development Bank, ADB, retained India's gross domestic product, GDP, growth forecast at in FY 2023. Options are A. 5.5%, B. 6.4%, C. 6.7%, D. 5.9%, E. 6.0%. Time starts now. And the answer is B. 6.4%. Next question. Which of the following Yard/Indian Navy ship, INS, has recently, in July 23, received by the Indian Navy, constructed in accordance with the classification rules of the Indian Register of Shipping, IRS? Options are A. INS Vishal, B. LSAM 15, Yard 12E, C. INS Vela, D. LSAM 7, Yard 7E, E. INS Karanj. Time starts now. And the answer is D. LSAM 7, Yard 7E. Next question. In July 2023, badminton player Dash from China won the men's singles and Supanida Katethong from Dash won the women's singles finals of the Yonex US Open 2023 held at the United States of America, USA. Options are A. Fang Jen Lee, Malaysia, B. Li Shifeng, Thailand, C. Fang Jen Lee, Denmark, D. Li Shifeng, Malaysia, E. Chen Long, Thailand. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Li Shifeng, Thailand. Next question. Which state government has recently, in July 23, introduced the Minimum Guaranteed Income Bill 2023 to provide social security to individuals and households? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Rajasthan, D. Uttar Pradesh, E. Bihar. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Rajasthan.